the delay. And they're only shooting them off one by one.
Made in China.
I still have a box of M80 when they got banned.
Yes. Shit.
They have been for quite some time.
2003.
No, it's not been that long. After I got out of high school. Because Matt worked, and then the next year they didn't sell it anymore. I couldn't get in the gate for like at least 6 months. All hell was over. He picked me up and I told him, "What you..." And we got packets on the table. The thing exploded so hard, bunny rabbits were dead. That's pretty. Dad's not allowed to use black cats anymore.
Was I put it in the fridge, you know, to cool it off. It's dark, so I can't really see. So I'm there, and I'm just shaking the thing. And so I'm like 9. She needs to go to mom.
Yeah.
One of those pink
Hey,
shots.
let's go to the hospital.
But she was like,
We specifically made the hookup city water bottles. And
Colorado on fire.
Because they'll turn the
No, the one went out.
rain brings them really low.
Yeah.
Bad experience. There's a parking lot in Monaghan out of the stock show arena that you can shoot off fireworks in the parking lot. Dad decided to set off black cats and I got hit in the eye with an ember. Thought it was cops and I went running.
Okay, Rebecca, if you want to get hired, don't say these stories.
Oh yeah. You need to write a book.
I hate that sound.
Flashbacks.
Oh yeah.
Oceans of glitter.
Found this
What the?
you
I was like, that's the one that's gonna do it.
nope, remember that.
I don't like the steam. Ooh, we should go to Alamogordo. Cause it hits your sound reverb doubly. Cover. I wanna make
About going to ASU for
chemistry. Cover.
No, they're probably like,
North Korea's attacking! North Korea's attacking again.
Oh, those kids are so... Story. Another funny story that pertains to fireworks, but I should probably not tell you while you're recording. It's not gonna get me in trouble though.
Away from them. If we were over there. Not right now.
It did not explode.